Welcome. Today we're going to look at running audit trails. Your audit trails are under reports, administrative, and you'll see we've got several different types here. They all pretty much run the same way, so I'm just going to do the audit transaction. There's one thing to be conscious of when running this. This is pretty straightforward up here, but we have the operation from. So from and to. Now, the operation is the act of an administrator or a supervisor adding a punch or editing a punch. So the dates here are really what we want to see when it could have been done. So we're going to choose our date range. I'll come down here and choose this. I'll go ahead and choose an employee so we don't have a ton of stuff. I'm going to leave this alone. This employee may not be assigned to a supervisor, or the employee could be assigned in the secondary position of any of these supervisors or all of them. And if I select them and the employee is not a primary employee of any of these, I won't get any results. So I leave this blank so that I can see everything and I'm not restricted to just something specific. Operation from, I'm just going to go back a few months. There we go, April 1st. No rhyme or reason. I just clicked a couple of times and chose it. I just want to make sure that I'm encompassing a date range where the punches could, from this pay period, could have been edited. The operation two, I'm going to come up here and choose today. Obviously, they can't do any edits tomorrow yet. So today will be fine. Operation and punch type, I want to see it all. Update, insert, delete, and I want to see it on all possible punches. It could be possible you just want to see the edited punches, maybe end punches, holiday, anything like that. I mean, you're able to choose individually a few of these. I leave them all blank. I want to see all possible edits that have been done. So with that, I click Generate Report. And now I can see the various punches here. I see the not assigned, and this is the old punch. This is the operation date that an edit would have been done. It's the 10th. The employee's card ID, the employee's name, the punch type. AB is an absent. And since it's not assigned, that means the system came in and added an absent punch because they did not clock in. And we see that was from a 5 a.m. to 12. I can see here the TC admin did a new on 10:10 at 11:27, edited, and 9:15, 5 a.m., 9:15, 1:30 p.m. So basically what happened is somebody edited this punch and changed the out time to 1:30 p.m. And they edited from an absent unpaid to an edited paid when they were in the employee's timesheet, adjusted the time a little bit and saved it, and done. Then here, the old, again, not assigned. The date 10:10, absent 9:17. This is a typical absent that gets entered in for the employee on their schedule when they don't clock in. We see the update new, again, the supervisor here, in this case is the TC admin. The employee name, punch type is edited, the date, and the time. And again, we see there's a little bit of a difference, 12 to 1:30. So this is what we're looking at when we're seeing the audit report. And of course, you can print this by clicking on the print icon, choosing your printer and selecting print. You could choose to save as a PDF and then save, or you can go here and choose PDF file and click export. and this will save it to your computer, same as the print save as PDF would. Or you can export this to an Excel or a CSV and then click export, and it'll save to your default location in your computer. Or if it's set up, it'll ask you where to save it. A lot of times when your computer's installed, things are simply going to save to your downloads folder. You can change that in your settings. Let's look at the downloads. Oh, those are just all my downloads there. Settings, here we go. So I just click on the settings tab here. And let's look over here. I haven't been in here for a while, so you have to forgive me. It's the end of the transaction thing. So you're good to go as far as that goes. I'm just looking for where this is at. There we go. Downloads, location. This is where your downloads will automatically save. However, I've got this turned on to ask each time where to save it before I download it. That'll pop up a box for me. I can change the document name, change the location, and save it. So the 3 dashes, settings, down here under downloads, and then this to turn on. If I turn this off, it's just simply going to save everything to this folder. So I prefer being able to save things where I want to rather than just have everything go down here to download. I hope this helps with the audit trails, and thank you for watching. Have a great day.